guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you a really easy acrylic nail set for fall and winter, and then I'm going to show you here how to prep your nails for any enhancement, including acrylic nails, gel nails, any really enhancement that you want to do, or just regular nail polish. So here I have my nails bare, and I'm going around with this bit. This is a cuticle bit. I got this one from Amazon. I believe it was from Pana, and I am going on a really low speed on my e-file at the lowest speed, about 2 or 3 RPMs, and I am moving in the forward direction because I'm right-handed. And then what I'm going to do after I do all the nails in the forward direction, I'm going to move them into the reverse direction. And instead of moving from right to left, I'm going to move from left to right along the cuticle line. Now, you want to be super careful here. Again, I'm working on a super low speed, and I'm just barely touching that cuticle area. This is just going to remove all the dead skin from your nail plate and ensure that you do not get lifting. So if you do this, properly prep your nails, you will have little to no lifting. So this is a really good way to prevent lifting. If you guys are having any lifting issues, make sure you prep your nails with a cuticle bit. And then before I did this, I did go over my nails with a mandrel, a fine sanding band, and I cleansed those nails, applied nail tips. And now I'm going in with the Kupa odorless monomer. I have been loving this one lately. It is a bit of a learning curve, but once you figure it out, it works really well. It has absolutely no smell. And you guys can see I'm marbling this pinky nail here. I am using Royalty Nail Supplies, that pretty maroon color. And then I'm using this light blue color from Double Dip store. I do have a discount code for them, Glam Nails 20. It'll get you 20% off your order. I am using a CADS brush number 16. I've been recently using bigger brushes. I just got a size 20 brush, and I'm really loving it. I didn't think that I could be able to work with such a big brush, but it has helped me improve my time and application so much. So here I'm going in, you guys, with these beautiful mylar flakes that I got from AliExpress, and I'm going to show you guys how we apply them on acrylic nails. So I'm basically picking them up with my wet acrylic brush here, and I'm patting them into that wet acrylic. You want to do this before it dries, pressing it into the acrylic. And then here I'm going to wait for that nail to dry, and while I'm waiting for that to dry, I am encapsulating this ring finger here. This design was super easy, super pretty for fall and winter nails as well. On my first finger, I have Maya's Nails acrylic on that first finger and on the thumb. And I did add some fall leaves into this design. I got those from Amazon. And then I am encapsulating the nail, and I started closer to the cuticle area for my first bead, and then my second bead I went in the middle of the nail. You want to make sure that most of your acrylic is at the back 1/3 of the nail. That is your stress area, and if that area is the thickest, it will prevent your nails from breaking or cracking and lasting for a really long time. So I did also add flakes into the wet acrylic on the middle finger, and these are like blue shift flakes, so they really gave that burgundy color a really nice pop. So here I'm just encapsulating the nails. Again, I'm using the Kupa odorless monomer. This clear is Mia Secrets clear, and you guys notice when I pick up my bead, I do wait until it turns completely glossy until applying it on the finger. And yeah, you guys, I really enjoyed this winter fall nail set. We encapsulated some mylar pieces, and I showed you guys how easy that is. You just want to make sure you encapsulate any nail art. And then I did decorate these nails with some rhinestones that I got from AliExpress, and some are Swarovskis I used iGel Beauty's jewelry gel to adhere those, and here they are, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall winter acrylic nail set with encapsulated mylar pieces as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe for my giveaway, and I will catch you in the next one.